So welcome students. In this question you're given two informations, tan A by 2, tan C by 2. From these informations you're asked to find the nature of the sides ABC. So this question is based on half angle formulas. So tan A by 2 is nothing but root of S minus B into S minus C by S times S minus A. So this is equal to 5 by 6. And tan C by 2 is S minus A into S minus B by S times S minus C. This is given as 2 by 5. Now if you multiply these two, S minus A and S minus A gets cancelled. Next, S minus C gets cancelled. So you have root of S minus B whole square by S square. That is S minus B by S is equal to, if you multiply these two, 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So you have 1 by 3. This implies 3S minus 3B is equal to S. 3S minus 3B is equal to S. This implies 3B is equal to 2S. This implies 3B is equal to A plus B plus C. A plus C is equal to 2B. This implies A, B, C are in AP. Thank you.